What's up, guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, my name is Yadrissa, and today we are getting into the Halloween spirit. I'm going to show you how I got these Halloween glitter mix for my nails. So this is the nails and how they look after I just swatched it onto my swatch sticks. And I'm going to show you, of course, how to make these. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is these clear containers that I'm going to be using. I believe these are 2-ounce containers. I did like these containers because they are clear. I didn't want to get the ones with the black top or the white tops. I wanted to be able to see it inside of my drawer, or if it was down inside of my drawer. If it had the black or white top, you couldn't see the color, so that's why I chose the clear containers. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be taking my little measuring spoon, and I'm going to be taking that first color, that black glitter, and I'm just going to be taking a couple of scoops from there. So I'm just going to show you guys the colors, and I'm just going to show you guys just me taking out a couple of scoops. I believe I took out maybe 2 scoops of each color. And this is a purple color that I'm taking now. As you can see, it looks like a purple. These are, first of all, these are all chunky glitters. So it's the fine glitter and the chunky glitter mixed together. So now I'm going in with that orange shade. And it looks to me kind of like a pumpkin spice. It reminds me of a pumpkin spice shade, or like a rust orange. So I'm taking some of that glitter as well. And I believe that I'm going to take 2 scoops from this bag of glitter as well. What I wanted to do, why I wanted to do this video, because, you know, I'm getting into the Halloween spirit. So now you can see I'm taking this green color, and I'm going to be taking 2 scoops from there. I am so excited for Halloween that I was already thinking about Halloween glitter, you know, nail colors and stuff like that. Now I'm going in with this orange shade. This is like a neon orange. I wanted to give it like a kind of a pop of color, because all the other shades that I just added to this glitter mix were on the darker side, but I wanted to have a pop of color. This one I did name all these shades. So this one, I believe I called this Monsters Ball, I believe, for this glitter shade. And this is a neon yellow that I'm going to be adding into this mix as well. And then I'm going to be taking my cuticle pusher, and I'm going to be using my cuticle pusher just to mix all of these glitters together. This came out really, really pretty. Really, it reminds me of Halloween, like all the different colors that, you know, are associated with Halloween. And this is a swatch of the color. Oh, this color is called Monsters Mash. So this is how it looks. I did swatch it on my swatch stick. So now I'm going in with my next color, and I'm using this red chunky glitter, and I'm going to be adding some of that chunky glitter into my container as well. I did finish the first one and just set it to a side. And I'm going to be doing the same thing as far as just taking my measuring spoon, and I'm going to be adding some of that red glitter to my container. And I really like this red. You see how dark this red is? It reminds me of like Halloween blood and scary. And so now I'm going to be taking this this black glitter. I believe this is the gunmetal. Well, that's what I named it, gunmetal chunky glitter. But it looks kind of more on the grayish side, aside from the other glitter that I had used before. That one was black. And this red glitter that I added first, I named that one Red Bottoms. That's what it reminds me of. So for this one, I just wanted to do that red and black. And I think that the red and black really, really complements each other. It reminds me of a vampire, or, you know, things like that associated with Halloween and red and black. So I'm just, again, taking my cuticle pusher, and I'm just using that to mix these colors together. I think that came out really, 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 really pretty. And just make sure you mix everything properly when you are mixing up your glitters. And here is how that black and red looks on my swatch sticks. You can't really see the black too much. I think it's because of my lighting, but that's how that one came out. So for the next glitter mix I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using this silver beautiful color, and all of these are chunky glitters, and all of these are reflective holographic chunky glitters. So I'm going in with that silver first, and I'm going to be taking 2 scoops from there. As you can see, those colors are really, really pretty, and it's a really bright holographic. So the next color I'm going to end with is this neon orange. Oh, I'm sorry, excuse me. This neon yellow. I'm going to be taking some scoops from there. Let me know if you guys are excited for Halloween as much as I am. I know we are still in September, but girl and guys, whoever you are, I am ready for Halloween, as you can see. Now I'm going to go in with this black. Yeah, this is that black glitter. I'm going to go in with that one, and I'm just going to be adding that to the mix as well. I did want to do another fun mix as far as just added multiple colors. So that's how this one is turning out so far. Again, no, excuse me, that I only use the gunmetal wood. Looks like the grayish holographic mix, then the neon yellow, excuse me, and the black holographic chunky glitter. So this one is just green and black, basically green, black, and gray. That one was really pretty as well. I know I say that for all of these colors, but I really love these colors, and I just wanted to, you know, add something fun. This is how it looks swatched, and these colors look a lot more brighter because the light is, you know, shining directly on it, but some of them are not as bright as in person, basically. So we're going on to the next glitter mix, and I'm going to be taking this neon orange, and I'm going to be adding that again with my swatch stick. Let me know if you guys like these colors, and if you would like to purchase these colors, you can always DM me on Pretty Press On Plug on my Instagram, or you can send a message here in the comment section, and I'll be sure to, you know, get your information. If anybody wanted the information on you know, purchasing any of these colors for if you just wanted to purchase. So this one is just going to be that neon orange and black, and I just wanted to add those 2 colors together. I really like how that came out, and then I'm just mixing it very well. Make sure you mix up these colors. And I have a lot more Halloween themed colors that I had in mind, and look how pretty that is. Look how that look on the swatch sticks. This is purple, green, orange, black. That one was really pretty as well. So now we're going on to the next one. I believe we're going on to, yes, we are. So we're going in with that dark purple. Really, really pretty shades. All of these colors are really, really pretty. And I'm going to go in with 2 scoops of that. And if you have not already done so, and you're enjoying my glitter mix video here, my Halloween glitter mix video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the bell notification so you know when I upload my new videos here on my channel, Pretty Press On Plug. And I'm going in with that black shade, and I added 2 scoops of that. Again, I'm going to go in with my cuticle pusher and just mix. That purple and black mix looks so pretty. I have so many different Halloween nail videos coming soon, and I'm going to be starting now. I know, like I said before, I know September, but I am ready for Halloween now, and I'm going to get my I'm going to start posting some Halloween videos as well as fall videos, because, you know, we're in the season of fall now. You know, the weather's changing. Look at that pretty color. Look how beautiful that came out. That black and purple. Very, 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 very pretty. So even though I did show you guys how the colors looked on the swatch stick, I'm just going to show you guys how I added the colors onto the swatch stick, because these are just glitter mixes. I didn't make it into a acrylic, but if somebody wants to purchase my glitters and have me make them into an acrylic, I can add an acrylic to them. So it is a acrylic, a glitter acrylic mix, Halloween theme, if anybody is interested in that. So what I did first is I added a thin layer of the clear Mia Secret acrylic to my swatch stick, and then I added the glitter on top, and then on top of that I went back in with some more clear glitter, clear acrylic, and just put it on top of my glitter. Look how beautiful. As you can see, I'm using my swatch stick, put a thin layer of clear acrylic, and I'm using a Mia Secret. And this is my panel brush. I believe it's in the size 16. And then after that, I'm going to dip into my glitter mix that I just created. And then I'm going to be adding that to my swatches, just so my nail clients can see the variety of glitters that I have here. So that's why I wanted to add it to my swatch stick, so I can hang it up with my rest of my glitter acrylics. And I have all the glitter acrylics that I have. I created all of my glitter acrylics. So yeah, fun fact. They all are different colors, not just this Halloween theme. Every single glitter acrylic that you see here on my channel, it's a shade that I have made myself. And I'm very proud, because I'm very creative, and I don't mean to, sound cocky or anything like that, but I just enjoy creating different things, basically. Learning and creating on my own. So this is that black and yellow mix. And as you can see, I'm just doing the same thing. I added a thin layer of that clear acrylic. I added my glitter on top of that, so it has something to sit onto. And then going back in with my clear acrylic and just putting that over the top of that glitter, so everything is in. Make sure you clean the sides off of that swatch stick too, because you don't want it to be all messy and just look crazy as hell. Look how pretty. That is so pretty. I like to do close-up so you guys can get a good feel of how these colors came out. I think I'm going to be doing another Halloween glitter mix as well for Halloween, because I have so many different colors that I think that would look good together and complement each other very well and be along the Halloween theme. But the next one I believe that I'm going to do here on my channel, as far as a glitter mix, I'm going to do a fall themed glitter mix. Yeah, because the weather's changing, it's getting colder, we're getting into the fall things and the leaves and the oranges and the browns, but I think that's going to be my next upcoming video. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. And if you have not already done so, check out some of my other videos after you finish watching this video. I have a lot of nail videos here on my channel, but again, I'm going to be coming with a lot more videos here on my channel, and I'm glad to be back posting here on this channel. I hope you guys are enjoying this content that I am putting out today and enjoying this video. And if you decide to create your own glitter mix, I would love to see you guys glitter mix for whatever theme that you think of, and just tag me or tell me to check out your page or whatever the case may be, and I'll be sure to check it out, because I like getting inspired by other people and inspiring other people as well. Look how beautiful these colors are. I know I say that for every single color, but I just really enjoy these colors. I think they all look so good and beautiful. I just can't wait to create a set of nails using each of these glitter mix colors. And even though I just made a glitter mix, I was thinking that I can use this glitter mix and create a just make them each into an acrylic color, like for acrylic nails, glitter acrylic, for each color. And then I was also thinking of using, wait, hold on, we gotta stop and take a look at this. Do you guys see that? This red and black one, I named it Black Widow. That's what it reminded me of, a Black Widow. You know, the spider. Yeah, I know, I'm very creative. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm just having fun and just doing what I love. And I'm hoping that you guys are enjoying this content, this video here. Leave a comment down in the section, but in the comment section down below if you are, ready for Halloween. Just comment Halloween, or I love your glitters, or whatever it is that you want to comment down there. Or hey girl, how you doing? Yeah, I know you never saw my face before, but if you are interested in how I look, I do have another channel here on YouTube, and the name is Yadrissa, YAADRISSA. And on that channel I create hair. I do hair, makeup, and I do SFX makeup as well. That's special effects and cosplay. And yeah, I do wig installs. I do everything over there. Hair, makeup, and special effect makeup. Check out my other channel, Yadrissa, YAADRISSA. But in the meantime, while you're still here, just, enjoy. Let me know if you guys are already thinking of your Halloween costumes as well, because I'm thinking of so many looks that I want to do for Halloween. I know Halloween is only one day, but again, I do have another channel here on YouTube, and that is where I am going to be posting my Halloween looks up into Halloween. I have so many looks that I'm going to post. It's not even funny, but yes, I am so ready for this Halloween season and just to create different, Halloween looks. Make sure you take your time when you are, adding your glitter and acrylic onto your swatch sticks, because you don't want the acrylic to spill over to the side and, mess up the shade, because I do have these pointy nail tips and I didn't want the acrylics to overlap on the sides or to the bottom of the nail. Here's a close-up. I believe this is called Monster Mash. Yeah, I was trying to read the swatch sheet that I wrote on. So Monsters Mash, and the other one was called Monsters Ball, so they're not the same colors. So here's a close-up of all of the different colors that I have here. Don't forget to connect with me on my other social media platforms as well. Pretty Press On Plug on Instagram, and these are my other social media platforms. Bye.